5 types of building construction classifications are made partly because of the required level of fire resistance that the building needs. These are fire-resistive. That rating provides the highest level of safety because it uses materials like poured concrete and steel beams, things that aren't going to give into fire very easily. Non-combustible. The building materials in Type 2 construction projects include interior walls, framing, floors, roofing, and exteriors are all made of non-combustible materials such as metal and concrete. Ordinary. Buildings in this category have exterior walls that are built with brick, masonry, concrete, precast panels, and other non-combustible materials. Interior structures and the roof can be wood-framed. Heavy timber. The heavy timber category is exactly what it sounds like, a structure that mainly uses large beams of wood. Wood-framed. Wood-framed are the smallest buildings such as single-family residence homes, restaurants, or small office buildings. Even small hotels could fit under the umbrella of Type 5 construction.
Was that informative? For the most part, you don't have to worry about any of these, except for the very last one. So resistive, these are your big properties, and you really do not need to concern yourself with them. I just wanted you to know about them. Non-combustible, again, big box stores, shopping malls, new schools. You don't really need to know about these as well. Ordinary, not really. Heavier timber, you might see a little bit of this. Most of everything you're going to be seeing is called Type 5, wood framed. And that's single family homes, restaurants, or small office buildings. Even small hotels could fit under the umbrella of Type 5 construction. The material for this type can be anything allowed by code. Most of that is going to be wood. I hope this helps you understand as far as the construction of buildings, because there are several different types, and for the most part, if we're looking at a large apartment building, even that would be ordinary.